This is MKE floor standing high-speed refrigerated centrifuge FR22-M. We can see the inside is rotor number 7. Turn on the power. Press this setting number. We can choose the temperature, speed, RCF, and the minutes. Now, we can set the rotor number to number 4, and the machine now starting to run. We can see when the speed reaches close to 600 RPM, the system will recognize that the actual rotor installed is rotor number 7, and the screen will display this as the actual rotor number installed.